Welcome to Craft Basics. In this series, I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know to get started with crafting. From paper and tools to die cutting and stamping, I'm going to take you through it all. Today, we're talking about the essential tools and materials that you will need to get started. First up, the cutting mat. Now, this is essential for protecting your work surface and provides you with all of the measurements and marking grids for your popular card sizes. It's also a great tool for when you want to get messy, as it's super easy to wipe down. A good pair of scissors and a craft knife are must-haves for every crafter. They'll help you cut through paper, fabric, and so many different materials. Now, smaller scissors and craft knives are brilliant for fussy cutting those intricate designs, whereas larger scissors give crisp cuts on fabric and card quickly and easily. Choosing the right adhesive is absolutely key. Permanent tape pens are brilliant for quick, mess-free sticking, while a glue gun or some of your liquid glue would provide a stronger hold for different materials. For dimensional makes, foam pads and 3D glue gel are your best friend. And if you're gluing intricate die cut pieces, our dotty tape pen or a fine tip glue applicator will allow you to add glue to only the places that you absolutely need it.